Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome to Eternity Warrior Fit channel. Thanks for coming back. We have a guest today, Steve-O in the house.
Hey you guys.
So nice to have you here.
So nice to be here.
It's the last day of not Get Sexy Abs because we're at day 25, so we have 5 days left, but it's the last day of the year. And what do we do going into a new year? 2021, here we come. We got to ride the wave, right? We got to make sure that that ebb and flow, in order to go with the flow, not get too stressed out. We're going to ride the wave today, guys. So standard crunch, V-ups, and bicycles. And we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 reps of all 3 of those exercises. And then we're going to go back 3, 2, 1.
So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3,
yes.
3, 3, rest, and then we go back 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1.
All in 6 minutes.
Oh, I can do it.
We might be able
minutes.
to.
But you mean we're going to keep doing it over?
We're going to keep doing it over 6 minutes.
Piece of cake. I can go up and down.
You just watch us. So we're going to come down to our mat, and I'll start our trusty timer. We'll probably stop in between each wave.
When it's over.
So the first one, we're just going to start with a standard crunch.
Are we starting right
So
now?
start on your back. Yeah, we're starting right now. So
Start
just
on your
standard
back.
crunch,
Start, folks.
fingertips behind your head.
Fingertips behind your head.
1 crunch up.
1 crunch.
And now you elongate your body out.
I'm almost done.
And now
already.
make sure you push your lower back to the ground. And exhale, inhale all the way down. And now hands behind the head. 1, 2 is 1. Good. Now we got 2. So 2 crunches, guys. 1, 2, 2 V-ups. 1. Exhale on the exertion. Right. And there's ways you can modify. Make sure that back doesn't come off. So 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, V-ups. You can modify. Look at Steve-O. He's doing a great job.
Not that I can't do the real ones.
And then 1, 2, 3. Good job. And now we get to break for a couple seconds here.
Oh, bless you.
5, 4.
Those aren't
3,
real seconds.
2, 1. We're starting back up with 3. So 3 standard crunches. 2, 1. 3 V-ups.
I would be doing much better,
1,
but there's something in the way.
2. Suck that belly button in. And now 3 bicycles. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now keep it going. 2,
Sit on
1, 2, 1. Go at your own pace, guys. Feel that burn. And 1, 2. And now 1s. 1 crunch. Elongate. 1 V-up. Good. 1 bicycle. Stop.
Thank
5. Inhale.
5? Did you say
Exhale.
5? You promised me 10 seconds.
Well, I lied. It's 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 crunch up. 1 V-up. And 1 bicycle. 2. 2 crunches up. Let's go. 2. Put your legs out. V-up. Push that lower back down. And now 2 bicycles. Good. Bring it down. 3.
Holy crap.
1, 2, 3. Exhale on the exertion. Elongate. Lower back to the ground. 2, 3. You can modify your V-ups if you want to just bring your knees up. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now you can take that breath for 5 seconds.
Piece of cake.
It's just a slow 5.
How
really
hard
it's 10.
can 6 minutes of abs be?
4, 3, 2, 1. 3 guys. 3 standard crunches. Go. 2, 3, and 3 V-ups. Let's go. You can modify. Just keep going. 3, 1, and 3 bicycles. 1, 2, 3. Good. 2, 1, 2. Exhale on the exertion. 1, 2. Modify if you have to. 2 bicycles. And 1. 1 standard crunch. 1 V-up.
Oh, yeah.
And 1 bicycle.
I want credit. I did 2 crunches. Oh
Good
my
job.
gosh.
5 seconds here.
I feel an ab.
4.
I feel an ab.
3, 2, 1. 1 crunch.
1 crunch.
1 V-up.
1 V-up.
And 1 bicycle. Good.
Bicycle.
2.
Bicycle.
1.
I want to ride my
2.
bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
2 V-ups.
Is it okay
And-
that I'm modifying still?
Yes, you modify if you need to. And 2. Now 3. 1, 2, 3 standard crunches.
I might be tugging on me noggin.
3 V-ups. If you have to modify with your V-ups, bringing your knees into your chest, that's fine too.
You guys just watch
And
me. I'll
now
show you how to
3.
make it easier.
That's 2, 3. Good job. Rest for 5 seconds.
Oh, my love handles are
If you want, you
cramping.
can take a big deep breath in and out.
Oh, yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna start with 3, so go. 3.
We're going to start with 3.
2.
Right now, you should feel a warm sensation in this area. It's on fire!
Elongate it out. Bring it
Elongate.
in. 1,
Kind of press out and exhale as I vomit.
2, 3. I can't. I lose my strength when I laugh, Steve. 3, 2, 1, 2. You guys, if you don't feel that burn,
Yeah,
then
something
you
wrong with
should
you.
not be here. We are here for the burn. 1, 2. That's how we get chiseled.
Hey, Blake, you remember that one time in Thailand?
And 1.
Ah,
And 1. Good. Rest for 5 seconds. We're going up and down. Who? Oh. Why? It's 1. Start with we're 1. We're going back up the wave, guys. 1 V up and 1 bicycle. It's like planes, trains, and automobiles. 2 crunches. Elongate. 2. Exhale on the exertion. And 3 bicycles. 2. Sorry, are we on 2? Okay, 2. That's right. We're going up the wave. 2. 3. We're on 3s now. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. When you do your bicycles, don't cheat yourself, guys. We have less than 2 minutes left, so no break here. We're going straight less than, now 1.5. Let's go down. 3, 2, 1. So 3 crunches here. 1,
make her stop.
2, 3. Chin away from the chest. 3 V-ups.
Nope,
Exhale on the exertion. 3. And now 3 bicycles. 1, 2, 3. Feet down. 2 crunches. Go. Home stretch. V up. Modify. Get her done. And now bicycles. 2. Good. 1 crunch. Singles. And last little set here, guys. You have 1 minute. We're going to rest for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing, Steve. Oh, you're doing so good. You guys are rocking it. 1 crunch. 1 V up. 1 bicycle.
One bicycle. At least we don't have to do
Feet
2.
down. 2 crunches.
We do 2.
2 knee ups.
If it sounds
Or
like I'm whining,
V-ups.
guys, I'm not whining. I'm downright complaining.
2 bicycles. Good. Feet down. 3 crunches, guys. Go. 1. Exhale. 3. And now 3 V ups.
3, sorry. I owe you a
You can
prize.
modify it. Yep. Don't cheat yourself. 1, 2, 3.
How much longer?
Feet down. We're going to relax for 5 seconds, and then we have 10 seconds left. 4, 3,
3 of each.
2, 1. Let's start with 1. 1, 1, and 1. Good job. You guys killed it.
Yeah, I absolutely crushed it.
You killed it, Steve. I might have killed Steve, but if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to tap that bell.
Oh my gosh.
We love your comments. I would like to know how you liked that wave 1 workout. There's so many ways to do abs. I mean, it's endless.
And it's awesome too, and it barely hurts at all. That was the worst 6 minutes of my life.
Make sure you stretch and drink enough water, and look forward to our other healthy tips that we have all year long coming to you from Eternity Warrior. Love you guys.